तत्पश्चात निकला भक्ति राम के स्वामी महाराज श्री गुरु गोविंद सिंह महाराज वैष्णव जी के चरण कमल
हरे कृष्णा। रोज ही देखना हिंदी वाले में आवाज आ रही है। नो वॉइस इन हिंदी। चेक चेक चेक।
आधार बा जहाँ मूल्यवान रचना आदि के लिए योग दृष्टि से जाकर यत्नपूर्वक गोपन तथा संरक्षित किया जाता है। चक्रवर्ती बात ठाकुर ने राधा जी के हृदय के संपूर्ण से घाटित उन्नत उज्ज्वल रसजात प्रेम का
नो हिंदी नो वॉइस।
जो राधा जी की हृदय की संपूर्ण जो वस्तु है उसको प्रकाशित करके संकल्प करके उज्ज्वल रसायन का प्रेम इस ग्रंथ रूपी समृद्धि आपके घर में संधि है। आपके घर में
इन हिंदी नो साउंड और भैया हिंदी नो साउंड।
तिजोरी
तिजोरी होती है इसमें मतलब अमूल्य चीजें रखते हैं। तिजोरी
इसलिए इस ग्रंथ का नाम रखा प्रेम संपुट। बालाजी के हृदय की जो समस्या है प्रेम है, इसी प्रेम की कथा इस ग्रंथ में श्रीमद् विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती के बारे में वर्णन करते हैं। और ये प्रेम ये तिजोरी के कौन करेगा?
नाउ चेक मे बी मस्ट बी साउंड देयर। हरि बोल। नो साउंड।
राधा जी ही इसको खोले। कृष्ण स्वयं जो है एक देवांगना के रूप में देवांगना के रूप में आए। देवांगना शब्द समझते कि नहीं? सुंदर एक स्त्री के रूप में आई वेश बनाकर। कृष्ण एक सुंदर।
So now what happened in this Grantha Shri Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, what he is describing that Krishna came to meet with Radharani in a very youthful form.
और कृष्ण
And Krishna, he came to Srimati Radharani in a very young form, and he went there to ask about the love. Here it is describing in the first shlokas, Pratah kadachit oraarikrita charu rama veshuhri priyamatma bhavan pragahane gatvarunasma tatina pidaya vakritam nichichalochanam yugah sahasvasthe. So this is the first shloka of Prem Sampot. Here, what is the meaning of this shloka? Loving attachment has a particular nature that is extraordinary. Within the heart of lover, a yearning may spontaneously arise to hear from his beloved's mouth about the excellence of her love for him and the inferiority of his love for her. Yesterday, Arjun, he came to in the form of sannyasi of sadhu, and he is staying in Dwarikapuri. And Subhadra, she used to meditate to Krishna since her childhood. When Subhadra met with someone in isolated place, so Subhadra So when in the isolated place, Subhadra met with Arjun, Subhadra was not able to recognize that he is the same Arjun because he was in the sannyasi form or sadhu form. So Subhadra, she was asking, so you are the Sant Mahatma and you have traveled all over the world. Have you seen Arjun ever? If you have seen him, so please tell me something about him. So, what Arjun replied? I have seen him, but I haven't seen any quality in him. What is the meaning? Arjun wanted to listen his glory in the mouth of Subhadra. Insult. So what are the shortage or disqualities he has? He's describing in this way. Kami, lackings.
नायिका की क्या होता है? नायिका की प्रतिक्रिया उसी प्रकार की है। नायक के मुख से अपने उत्कर्ष श्रवण करना।
In the same way, the Naika also would like to listen her glory from the mouth of his hero. So this is the speciality of our nature of the love. They would like to hear their glories from. They don't speak their glories with their mouth. They would like to hear that glory from the others' mouths. So it is mentioned also in the scripture that we shouldn't praise ourselves. Self-praised. We shouldn't be self-praised. We should always. I have seen many peoples are praising themselves, which is not good. So sometimes people laughs on that person,
तो देखो ये कैसे
that how he is
दाम्भिक है, बड़प्पन अपने कर रहा है।
how he is describing himself so much. Oh my god, so hot.
अपने बड़प्पन अपने को
So he is describing his glories himself. So in this way people makes jokes on that persons.
दूसरे उनके
And the second thing is, and somebody glorify him,
वही जो है
this is good.
अच्छा ये यहाँ पर जो प्रेम राज्य में उसी प्रकार की है।
Because in the Prem Raj, in this way,
स्वभाव यह होता है कि प्रणय यानी प्रेमिका के मुख से न्याय की प्रतीका
so loving attachment has a particular nature that extraordinary. Within the heart of the lover, a yearning may spontaneously arises to hear from the beloved's mouth about the excellence of her love for him and inferiority of his love for her. Early one morning, under the control of such love, Brajendranandan Shri Sam Sundar, the unrestricted, carefree enjoyer of Ras, discussed himself as a young woman of heart-stealing beauty and went to the courtyard of Srimati Radhika Rani, the dear, darling daughter of Vrishbhanu Maharaj. Covering his lotus-like face with a crimson veil, he appeared before Srimati Radhika, his eyes bashfully lowered. So this is the nature of the ladies. So Krishna got the form of a lady, young lady, and he went there. What he is doing? अपनी आंखें झुका रहा है. So whatever the natures is, whatever the activities ladies do, so he is doing the same way. Sharam, lajja. Narinam lajja bhushanam. So shyness is the ornaments of ladies. Shyness, lajja. So in this way Krishna, he is feeling so much shy, and he had ghungat on his head, and being very humble, and he is lowering his out. His eyes bashfully lowered. So one is spontaneous or one is artificial. One is natural and one is artificial. So the person who is not a lady, so they have to do so many things, artificially. And who are the ladies? Those they have everything spontaneous, means natural. So one person is since from birth he is a lady, she is a lady, and some are pretending that themselves being a lady. So in the Krishna, this is incredible things. Like you have seen, maybe in the serials, TV serials, you have seen the person who are performing a play, and if you made a man to a woman, so they are pretending everything in artificial form, but somewhere, so they are doing all the things according to them very best, but people can catch them that she is not a lady. So one time one Indian, he made a passport, or very artificial passport. So he made a artificial passport and he wanted to go out from India in a form of lady, ladki ka. He is an Indian and he made a artificial passport for foreign country, and he made that passport in a lady form. So he was a boy. So he was caught in immigration when everybody was checking him, and he was caught because his external activity was looking artificial. So one is spontaneous and one is artificial. So in artificial peoples, they always express themselves so much. So the person who are acting something or pretending like a lady, so they for hiding themselves, they are pretending so much. So that's why people catch them. So in the same way, there is a speciality in Krishna. So nothing is artificial in Krishna because he is Bhagwan. Bhagwan is capable to take any kinds of form. When Jeev will pretend to be artificial things, so he will be catch, but Bhagwan cannot catch because he is Bhagwan. Because Bhagwan got the beautiful Mohini form, and seeing that form, nobody able to catch them. That's why here it is also saying so early one morning, under the control of such love, Brajindandan Shyam Sundar, the unrestricted careful enjoyer of Ras, distinguished himself as a young woman of heart in stealing beauty, and went to the courtyard of Srimati Radhika, the dear darling daughter of Vrishvanu Maharaj. Covering his lotus face with a crimson veil, he appeared before Srimati Radhikani, his eyes bashfully lowered. Previously, on the night of the Ras dance, on the bank of the river Kalindi, Sri Shyam Sundar had accepted defeat in the midst of the gopis. At that time, he had told them, Na pariham, nirvidyam swayam. I am not able to repay my debt to you. Now he was observed in the same mood of loving attachment. So in the Ras Leela, Sukdev Goswami Pad is describing that Krishna, so in the assembly of Gopi, when Krishna disappeared from the Ras, and after that when Gopis were searching Krishna everywhere, and when they were unable to find the Krishna, so they went to at the bank of Yamuna, Ekatrita. So they were reciting and doing the kirtan of the Krishna's pastime, so beautiful, which is called the Gopi Geet. And after that, Krishna, he couldn't stop himself, and he appeared in the Ras assembly of the gopis. At the time, Gopis has given asan to Krishna. Anchal. So the chunri or anchal they had, which is full of dust, so they have given that to Krishna in the form of asan, and Krishna seated on that asan. So at that time, Srila Sukdev Goswami Pad is describing the sweetness of Krishna in a very nice way by these shlokas. And after that, so gopis had the conversation with the Krishna. In that conversation, Sukdev Goswami Pad is describing very nicely. Some gopis came to near Krishna, and some gopis were so far from Krishna.
और तिरछी नजरों के द्वारा गोविंद के हृदय को मानो बिंद लिया है। ये समस्त वर्णन
So this is all described there. When some gopis who came to near to Krishna and they touches the body parts of Krishna's, so they all were the Chandravali's side, and all the gopis who were little far from the Krishnas, and they were giving the sidelong glance of her eyes, and by their teeth they were biting their lips. So they were called the Swapakshi, the Radha Pakshi gopis. So by that this is proved. And after that Krishna had so much conversation with gopis. So the gopis asked about love. So they asked 9 kinds of questions. One is, someone is loving, if you love him, if you love or not love, then person will love. If you love or not love, he won't love. One is Aptaram, Atpakam, Gurudurahi, Aparadi, Hetu or Ahetu. Akratagna, Hetu and Hetu, causeless and cause. Gurudohi Aparadi is one. And then Akratagna means ungrateful person. The person who doesn't accept the favor if somebody is doing helping in someone and he is not paying him. So this is 7th. One is Hetu Ahetu means causeless or cause. So this kinds of 9 kinds of questions was asked. So in this way gopis were asking about the love to Krishna, and Krishna one by one he is replying to them. At last what happened? Gopis, they asked one question also, that why you have given so much suffering to us. At that time Krishna replied, look, actually I was taking a darshan of your love. So beside meetings there is so much sweetness and sweetness in love in Vira. In the meeting time, your body can be meet, but your mind and soul is not meeting. At the time of meeting, when Priya and Preeta meeting together, and where they are meeting by the body, so their mind can go somewhere else. But in the separation, in the Viraha, so they are separated from the body, but their mind and soul connecting each other. Our body is gross and our mind is subtle. So the subtle enjoyment is so much. If we see, if we judge actually, so you cannot so much enjoy by your gross body. You can enjoy so much by your subtle body, like your mind. Your mind is is subtle. That's why there is so much Tattva Siddhants he told. So in this way Krishna, he is asking the question before the gopis. He is replying to the gopis that I didn't go anywhere to leave you. And I don't have any kinds of feeling to against. So I didn't want to give any kinds of sufferings to you. I don't have this kinds of feeling in my mind. I would like to see your actual love. I wanted to see your actual love. When the actual love expresses when there is a separation mode, when you are in separated. That's why Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada is written
प्रकट लीला की वैशिष्ट बताते हैं।
So he was describing about the Prakat Leela of Guru. At the time of Prakat Leela of Guru,
किसी प्रकार सेवा आदि करते रहे, कैसे उनके भाव में हो सकता है उसमें कोई क्या बोले कपटता भी रहता है।
so if someone is serving his Guru at the time of Prakat Leela, so maybe there is some cheating propensities there.
मेरा नाम जस हो जाता है।
My name will be glorified everywhere. People will know me. But
प्रकट लीला आदि करके
after, but
आप उसे देखते हैं।
but after the disappearance of Gurudev, Guru sees from so far
ये हमारे को कितने
that how much Shraddha and Prem he had towards me.
बहुत सुंदर रूप में
It is described, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he has described very nicely.
है महापुरुषों की वस्तु भक्ति की अप्रकट के बारे में उन्होंने ये दिया। क्योंकि
Because
एकदम निकट में रहते हैं,
somebody is living with the near
दूर रहते हैं, ये दोनों में विशेष वैशिष्ट्य
and someone is and that same person is far, so there is a speciality of the remembrance. Like, so Krishna in this way describes so many things,
मुक्त मुखारविंद से गोपियों की प्रेम महात्मा भी कहा
and he is described the prem
है।
or love of the gopis,
चैन कहने हुए
and he said himself,
रूप में आप लोग के प्रेम की ऋणी
I am in depth of your love.
गीता में जब भी
In the Gita, Bhagwan said,
ये यथा मन प्रबद्धन
ये यथा माम प्रपद्यन्ते
है
तो
का तथैव भजामि
ताम सुतैत भवजाने.
जो जिस प्रकार मेरे चरणों
So,
से नापुती हो जाए,
the way somebody is getting the shelter of my lotus feet,
मैं उनकी
so I reciprocate in the same way to that person. Huh?
प्रेम आदि बात उनके विचार स्नेह आदि
The way person is getting shelter of mine, so in the same way I reciprocate with that person.
जे यथामान प्रबद्धन
ये यथा माम प्रपद्यन्ते.
शरणागति के ऊपर ही
So everything is depend on their sharanagati. So the more amount they are sharanagat, the same amount I will give him
और भागवत में भगवान
fruit.
कृष्ण ने क्या कहा?
And the Bhagavatam, what Bhagwan said, na paryam nirvatam, na paryam, he is saying like this. In the Bhagavatam it is said, Hey gopis, your love, no one can do love like you in the future or past, na bhuto na bhavishyati. So you have given me everything, and still you are thinking that you haven't given anything to me, nothing to me. So this is the symptoms of love. After giving everything, lover is thinking that I haven't given anything. And some people are generally people, they give little and they think, oh, I have given so much. One crorepati, he is giving 1 rupees coin to the temple. He is giving donate 1 rupees coin to the temple. And after that, what he says? That I have given a lot to the temple. My God, very nice. I have given 1 rupees coin. So this is the, sometimes people, they would like to spread their glories here and there. I have made this room. So I had made this room and put my name plate there. Why they are putting their plates? For their remembrance that I have given the donation in that room. So sometimes it is mentioned on that nameplate that this room has been donated by this person and that person. Maybe you can come to Rup Sanatan Gaudiya Math and you can see everywhere there are so many nameplates. Names are mentioned in there. So whenever they comes, they used to show their family members. Oh, I have given the donation of this temple, and this is this room made by my donations. Look at my name here. So, but Bhagwan is saying here, I don't have this kinds of feeling in my mind. Na paryaham nirvatya, like this.
इसलिए मैं अपने को ऋणी मानता हूँ।
So whatever the love you have given to me, so I am feel myself in debt.
कृष्ण पहले ऋणी,
So Krishna is saying himself that I am in debt. I am debt of yours.
और अपने आप को झुकाए,
And he is
इसलिए
feeling so much ashamed or humble.
श्लोक में जो वर्णन होती है,
So in the shloka Naparyam, Krishna himself saying to the gopis, he is praising to gopis
ये आप लोग सर्वस्व देकर
that you have given everything to me, but still you never think that you have given something to me. You said all is nothing, we have nothing given to you, Krishna. This is the Vashishtha, this is the speciality,
विशेष वैशिष्ट
this is the speciality of love.
है। इसलिए
That's why
गीता की- गीता में जो
in the Gita, Bhagwan is, when is saying, Ye yathamam prapadante, and Srimad Bhagavatam is saying, Na paryam.
गोपी प्रेम की सर्व उत्कर्षता है, यही तो लिखा है।
So he is describing
कृष्ण
the topmost love of the gopis, and Krishna is saying actually that I don't have this kinds of feeling in my mind, because Krishna is Vishaya Vigrah. He is the object of everything.
ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ डिवाइन,
He is the object of divine love.
आश्रय विग्रह होने के नाते
Being an object of divine love,
में आश्रय विग्रह की जो प्रेम की जो महत्व,
so he is describing the importance of the Ashra Vigrah. It is not able, he was not able to describe.
जिसमें कृष्ण इससे कह रहे हैं न पाए,
That's why Krishna has said, Na
इस
paryam.
लोक विद्या प्रति के जो मूल धनी उदित हुई थी, श्याम सुंदर उसी भाव के
So I am not able to repay my debt to you all. Now he was absorbed in the same mood of loving attachment. He had conveyed with those words, thus desiring to hear his beloved Srimati Radhika speak proudly and unhesitatingly while in her affectionate sulky mood,
ये वास्तव
which is called Pranayman. Pranayaman. He discussed himself as a lovely young lady.
वह उनके मुखारबिंद से सुनना चाहते, किसको? गोपियों की।
So Krishna wanted to listen
कृष्ण तो कहा दिया,
whatever he said na paryam by the mukharvind of gopis.
तो कहा दिया, ये आपको ऋण को मैं
He said to the gopis that I cannot repay your debt.
किंतु
But
यहाँ जो है उसको किस रूप से
how gopis are treating this word, so or accepted that. So in this way Krishna would like to listen from the gopis. In this way he has got the form of ladies, young lady.
इस प्रकार
Just like
शिक्षक
the teacher,
टीचर विद्यार्थी के पढ़ाए,
he taught to the students, and after
विद्यार्थी के मुख से सुनना चाहते हैं,
and
तो
after
क्या समझे?
and after teaching everything, what he would like to hear from the mouth of students, that whatever you have learned, please tell me.
मैंने जो आप लोग की
Whatever I have taught you, so how much you learned, so please tell me.
आप लोग कैसे उसके आप लोग की समझ में आया, वो आप लोग।
So please tell me how much you learn. So in this way
तो कृष्ण उसी प्रकार
Krishna,
अपने तो कहा दिया न पाया,
he said himself that na paryam like this, but
मूल वक्तव्य जो है भाव जो है,
so whatever the feelings of that shlokas or the feelings of that shlokas, he wanted to listen from the gopis, that whatever they have, they understood that.
प्रेम संपूर्ण ग्रंथ में नायिका की इन्हीं भावों की ध्वनि प्रतिध्वनि का विशेष वर्णन है।
So these are the moods of the lover Nayak and the beloved Nayika that are especially described in Shri Prem Samput.
भाषा के श्रवण की लालसा यह श्री कृष्ण के द्वारा रमणीय वेश धारण करने का हेतु है। ये कृष्ण ऐसे सुंदरी
Krishna
वेश धारण करके
got this beautiful young lady form. Why he came here to meet Radhika? Because so that gopis
संकोच से
unhesitedly
ये प्रेम की क्रिया आदि को स्नेह मान प्रेम को
so there are the activities of Sneh Man Pranay like this. He wanted to hear from these gopis. This is the reason only.
एक
just
स्त्री
like one lady.
स्त्री के निकट अपने समस्त गोपनीय तत्व की वो बताती
So a lady can reveal all kinds of her activities, secret activities to the ladies.
संकोच करती
So she will be doubt or hesitated to disclose all the things to the gents, men,
एक लड़की अपनी
just
सहेली
like
के पास वो
just like a lady with her friends. So she can express.
जो नहीं बताई
So she can express her all feelings, maybe whatever she never told to their parents. So she can told to that friends.
अपने भाई की नहीं कही
She cannot tell to his brother.
कहीं की ऐसे गोपन तत्व जो
So there are many kinds of secrets of the ladies.
वो दूसरे के नहीं करती
They cannot reveal before the gents or before their parents or brother.
कथा कहाँ बताती
अपनी सखियों के साथ. So she can express her feeling to the ladies, her lady friend. In the same way, Shri Krishna, he would like to hear that importance of that love of the gopis. So that's why he got a young lady form, and he went to the Radhika.
के हृदय में राधा जी के हृदय में।
So whatever the feelings Radhika have,
वो समस्त कथा को जो है
he wanted to hear all that kinds of katha. So that's why he got the lady form.
पहले श्लोक में ये करना चाहते हैं
So Vishnu Chakravarti in this Grantha's first shlok, he would like to say that why Krishna got this lady form.
कृष्ण के रूप में राधा कृष्ण जी के रूप में राधा जी की पास तो सदा सर्वदी रहते
In the form of Krishna, he lives with Radha ji every time.
हैं सुनो और राधा जी तो अपने कृष्ण के अपना ही मानते हैं
And Radha ji thinks that Krishna is mine.
तो फिर कृष्ण
Then why
श्रीवस्त्र
Krishna,
धारण करके अनेक
he got the form of lady? What was the reason behind?
ये भी
So this is also told here.
समझे? तो इसलिए हमारे ग्रंथ
So in this way, our Granthakar, our commentator,
संकोच रूप
he is saying unhesitedly
मान से उदित गर्भपूर्ण भाषा की श्रवण की लालसा से ही यहाँ श्री कृष्ण द्वारा रमणी जी
So unhesitantly, while in her affectionate sulky mood, Pranayaman, he discussed himself as a lovely young lady. These are the moods of lover, Nayak, and beloved Nayika are especially described in Shri Prem Samput.
अनंत रमणी वेशधारी श्री कृष्ण का दूर से ही दर्शन करके विश्वानंदिनी श्रीमती राधिका अपने प्रिय सखी ललिता को संबोधित करते हुए
So when Vishwanunandini Srimati Radhika saw the charming young woman in the distance, she addressed her dear friend Shri Lalita, O Sakhi Lalita, look, just look, who is that beautiful young woman, adorned with the astonished ornaments?
यह
The glow of her lotus-like face rebukes the luster of lotus flowers, and the radiance of her charm complexion's body illuminates our courtyard. Our whole house appears to be decorated with sapphires. So
राधा जी
so Radha ji,
वो सब क्या बोले
Lalita Sakhi,
कृष्ण जो नारी में धारण
when Krishna got that young lady form,
सौंदर्य की कथा
so she is describing the beauty of that lady. What is she saying?
वास्तव
Actually,
रूप में कृष्ण कृष्ण वेश में जितने सुशोभित होते हैं और ये कृष्ण
so, so Krishna, he is so much beautiful in Krishna. He is so much beautiful in Krishna form. But now, when he got the lady form, he is looking more beautiful than Krishna's original form.
ये
Okay? Yes.
जैसे कृष्ण
Just like
रूप धारण करके
Krishna got the Mohini form, and he attracted Shivji.
देवता और
Shivji.
असुर की सभा में आकर के
When Krishna got the Mohini form, and he distributed nectar to the
असुरों के
devatas and neglect to Sushobhit kya? Graceful.
वास्तव रूप ही
So he distributed the nectar to the devatas and neglect to the demons. So in this way, when Krishna got the lady form, So, seeing the darshan of his beautiful lady form, it is incredible. No one can describe that. It is more than beautiful Krishna's original form. What to speak more?
लीला के अनुसार
So, in this way,
स्वयं राधा जी अपने सगे ललिता को ले
so by the Lok Leela, Radhaji is saying to her Sakhi Lalita, Lalita Sakhi, just check who is there, who has come.
तब ललिता और
Then Lalita and Vishakha,
राधा जी को बात सुनकर
on hearing Srimati Radhika's words, Lalita and Vishakha quickly approached the young maiden and inquired, "Oh, slender waisted girl,
विषो उदरी विषोदरी उसमें पतली कमर वाली
Patli Kamar Wali, oh slender waisted girl,
जिसके कमर
who are you?" Whose kamar is very 24, 36, 24.
कहा जाता है विषोदरी तुम कौन हो
So who are you? Where have you come from? And why have you come here? Please remove our curiosity by answering the questions. What that girl's
प्रश्न का
but that young girl did not reply.
किंतु यहाँ आई हुई इस रमणी रमणी उनके किसी प्रश्न का उत्तर नहीं दिया
But that young lady didn't reply anything.
कृष्ण जो नारी के धारण
So Krishna got the young lady form, so he didn't reply. He was just standing there.
का तो उनके प्रश्न पूछ
Lalita Vishakha was asking the question to her, but she was not replying. She was stunned
कृष्ण उसी को चालाक है ना
because Krishna is very clever.
है? इसलिए
That's why
विशाखा
Lalita and Vishakha and other
उनके प्रश्न पूछने
they asked the question to
ये आपके कारण
that lady that what is the reason that why have you come here,
कहाँ से आई
where have you come from.
है हमारे हृदय में कौतूहल हो रहा
And we are so much excited to know that
है जिससे आपकी अंग कांति से
seeing your the body complexion, all the courtyards is blossoms just like a sapphire,
प्राप्त
like a Indra Neelamani, which is called sapphire.
सज्जन के प्रश्न पर
That's why
उस रमणीय के निरुत्तर
on the
देखकर
questions of the Lalita and Vishakha,
और भी कौतूहल वशतः मन विविध प्रकार के तर्क वितर्क
when she did not answer, Shri Radhika became even more curious. After careful thought, she came before the discuss Shri Krishna and inquired. Lalita Vishakha asked that why have you come here? What is the reason to come here? Where have you come from? When she didn't reply, when Krishna didn't reply, that Radhaji,
और सन्निकट में आ गए।
she came closer to Krishna.
राधा जी
And Radhaji, when she came closer to him, and what she asked,
रमण वेशधारी श्री कृष्ण के सेवन
"O beautiful one, who are you? The luster of your limbs have stolen our mind."
फिर अभी कौन पूछ रहे हैं?
Radhika ji. Now Radhika ji. Earlier Lalita Vishakha asked, now Radha ji is asking, "Who, dear, who are you?
जिसे हम लोग
O beautiful one, who are you? The luster of your limbs has stolen our minds. Are you a divine maiden?
तुम्हें देखकर
Upon beholding you, it seems that you have appeared before us, embodying the entirety of the world's beauty."
देखो राधा जी
So Radha ji,
कितने प्रेम प्रति से
how beautifully or by love she's asking to Krishna.
फिर भी उस रमणीय कोई प्रत्युत्तर
Still, the pretty young maiden did not reply.
नतमस्तक होकर के
She just,
इसी की तरफ
"Oh Bhavini, beautiful woman," and she was just standing, lowered her eyes.
तब श्री राधा
Then Shri Radhika asked,
भामिनी
"Oh Bhavini Sundari," Shri Radhika said,
यदि तुमने
"Is it you who have come here to us? So please introduce yourself at once
हरि लज्जा से
and remove our curiosity.
तुम्हारे
O
सामने
Shaivan, in our company
लज्जा या
there is no reason to be timid or reserved. Please understand that we consider you to be our intimate friend.
इसे राधा कितनी सुंदर
So, how beautifully Radha is describing beautifully asking the questions to that lady, Krishna.
कि तुम अपने हृदय के जो है प्रकाश करो।
Now, please express your feelings and just think me like your friend, intimate friend. As I told you earlier,
में स्त्रियां जो है
generally ladies they can express their feelings to the ladies. They can reveal their secrets to the ladies.
किंतु अपने अंतरंग सखी के निकट
So the things which they cannot disclose with their parents, so they can disclose to their friends, the sakhis.
तू मेरा
So that's why Radhaji startingly she said that please think me as your intimate friend. No.
अभी तो बताएंगे।
So understand that consider me as your intimate friend. Now
श्री राधा जी के इस
When-
प्रकार के वचन सुनकर भी
when the young maiden Shri Krishna heard Srimati Radhika's word, she sighed deeply.
करने लगी वो अपने मुंह को कमल
Actually, mere words cannot describe her response.
कृष्ण कितने एक्सपर्ट है।
Krishna is so much expert, very clever. He is very clever.
पारदर्शी है। जब मानो हृदय में कुछ एक ऐसे दुख वेदना हो जाए जिससे दिल का सांस है
He took a deep sigh and
अपने मुख कमल की
she turned her face away and continued to remain silent. Like silent.
राधा जी
Upon seeing the girl's condition, Shri Radha asked, "Oh beautiful one, I understand that your heart is certainly in pain. Otherwise, you would not act like this."
यदि वेदना नहीं होती तो तुम्हारा ऐसे भाव
नहीं कर
है क्योंकि वो दीर्घ सांस जो है
Because she took a deep sigh
श्री वेशधारी कृष्ण दीर्घ सांस
when Krishna, in the form of lady, he took a deep sigh and he was
हृदय में कुछ
just like that he has some suffering in his heart.
है हे पद्मानने अर्थात कमल के समान मुख वाली अपनी इस वेदना को
O lotus faced one, with full trust in us, please openly and clearly tell us about your pain. What happened?
तुम हम
I will try my best to nullify the cause of your anguish.
चेष्टा करने में त्रुटि नहीं करो है? विशेषतः अंतरिक्ष
When within the heart a deep wound of despair opens,
पक जाने से उत्पन्न असुख
the unbearable anguish on one suffer can be
समीप के समीप
mitigated by revealing into intimate friends.
यदि आपके हृदय में कोई दुख है
If you have something in your heart,
तो किसके निकट प्रकाश करो
so you should express this
अपने अंतरंग
that
मित्र के
you should express your feelings to your intimate friends who can understand that.
इसलिए चैतन्य
That's why in the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela it is showed he expresses all kinds of feelings to Swarup Damodar and Raya Ramanand.
राधा के भाव में
When he was observed in the bhav of Radhika Rani, so he felt so much mode of separation.
उस विरह के चैतन्य महाप्रभु कैसे अनुभव करें
So how was feeling, how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was experienced that kinds of separation?
बात व्यक्त करते हैं
Swarup Damodar Raya Ramanand.
सर्वोत्तम राय राम
So he was expressing his feelings to Swarup Damodar and Raya Ramanand because Swarup Damodar and Raya Ramanand
भावों को जानने वाला हृदय के जानने वाला
he was able to the feelings of Radhika Rani.
हृदय के भाव जानने वाला
So the person who is able to know the feelings,
जानते ही नहीं है
who is able to know the heart's feelings, so we should express our feelings to those person, and who are not unable to understand the feelings of heart, so you cannot describe them.
हृदय को समझ नहीं
The person who is staying in so much highly position or in a so beautiful house, they cannot understand the feelings of the person who are staying in the hut, who are so poor.
और झोपड़ी में रहने वाले जो बालक
So the person who are staying in a so beautiful building, so they cannot understand the feelings of the person who are staying in so poor, in so bad condition.
झुग्गी में रहने वाले बालक, वो राजपुत्र के निकट अपनी बात कहने पर भी वो समझ में नहीं आता।
So if that person who are staying in the hut or in a very poor condition, if he try to feeling to that rich person, they cannot understand. So in this way there is a Bangla Kirtan, it is said ki jato na bisai buje bisai kisai, like this. Asi bisai, I don't know what is this. Asi bisai.
सांप काटने से सांप की जहर शरीर में फैलने पर
When snakes bites you, if the snakes bite someone, so the poison so much speedily spread in the body. So the person who has been beaten, only he can understand how much he is suffering. So the person who has never bitten by the snake, so how he can understand the feeling of that person who has been bitten by the snakes? So in this way it is said, whatever you are suffering, only that person can understand who has crossed that way, who has suffered that way. Otherwise no one can understand. In this way, in the Leela of Mahaprabhu, it is showed Mahaprabhu, when he was observed in the bhava of Radharani, so he Agni, fire, the heat of the separation, the heat of the love, when he was suffering with that Jwala, so it is not able to express to anyone. So the person who has developed that love or that kind of separation, only that he can understand. If somebody doesn't have love or that kinds of separation, how he can understand? And if you express this kinds of feeling to them, they can understand. Just like if you are describing the elephant's glory to the blind man, what he can understand? He cannot understand anything. The person who is blind since birth, and if you describe the glory of the elephant, so he cannot understand because he have never seen an elephant. So if he is touching the body parts of the elephants, he thinks this is the top, this is this thing and that thing. If he is putting if he is touching the ear or touching the feet, so he cannot realize anything. So the person who has seen the elephant, only he can understand. So if you describe anything or comparing anything of the elephant, so only he can understand. So the person who haven't seen elephant, and if you are describing about elephant, so he cannot understand. Maybe he can like to hear, but he cannot realize what is the meaning here actually. So who has developed love in his heart, and so who has developed love, and if you are expressing that feeling to those person, only he can understand. So in this way here, so in this way Radha ji, she is saying, "Oh Sundari." So when within the heart a deep wound of despair opens, the unbearable anguish and one can suffer be meditated by revealing to intimate friends, to whom you should reveal your sorrow, your suffering. Who can understand antarang? Who understand the sufferings? Who has little knowledge about suffering? You can disclose your suffering to those persons, otherwise they will make jokes and laugh on you. That's why Radhaji is saying in this way, "Hey Kishori, please tell us." Because Radhaji has all kinds of knowledge of anything. That's why Radhaji is saying, "Please tell us. Are you now suffering separation from your beloved? or have you become exceedingly perturbed upon discovering some shortcomings in him, or have you committed some great offense that has shattered the affection of your beloved?
स्वयं कोई अन्याय नहीं किया,
Is that why you are fearful? Perhaps in order to destroy the love and affection that your beloved has for you, some wicked person has falsely accused you of a misdeed, although you have actually done no wrong. Is that why you are unhappy? So we will describe that tomorrow.
राधा जी जो जो प्रश्न किया
So whatever the Radhaji questions asked, we will describe tomorrow.
याद करना उचित।
So we will describe it. God Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Now it is the Paran time. Everybody should do Paran. Gurudev, there was a 9 questions were there, which is asked by the Gop, which are asked by the Gop.
करो तो प्रेम ना करें, प्रेम ना करो तो ना करें, प्रेम ना करो तो प्रेम करें।
Eh?
तो इसके 4 ये हो गया। फिर गुरुद्रोही व अपराधी 5वां, फिर
No. This is wrong. No. This was no. No. This was not.
रहतु क्या रहतु की तो अलग अलग दिया होगा।
No. This.
सीक्वेंस मैंने क्या बताया, प्रेम करने के बाद प्रेम
The person who is loving, or then he is loving. If you are loving first.
प्रेम
अगर ना करें, if you are loving or not loving, he is loving to you. This is called parental love. The third one is, if you are loving or not loving, he will not love to anyone. This is called no. 3 ये हो गया. अब now
आदि करें, 4 प्रकार के लोगों के साथ प्रेम करने पर फल नहीं होगा।
so there are no fruits of loving to 4 kinds of people. What kind of 4 there? आत्माराम, आप्तकाम, गुरुद्रोही अपराधी और अकृतज्ञ. ये 4 हो गए.
और अकृतज्ञ
Ungrateful person.
कितने हुए?
4. And 2 हेतु अहेतु.
और एक होता है हेतु अहेतु भी।
No. 9. Causeless and cause. ठीक.
तो ये भी दिखा दे।
So this is showed here. Okay.
ये 9 प्रकार की
So there are 9 types of questions asked by the gopis to Krishna,
कृष्ण ने सारे प्रश्नों का उत्तर दिया।
and Krishna replied all the answers. And after giving all the answer and at last Krishna, he said, "Na paryaham," like this. Okay. God Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Now it's a Paran time, so please bring some rice, Jagannath Prasad, so that we can do Paran.